Imagine a world cloaked in mystery, where the whispers of the night hold secrets waiting to be revealed. What if I told you that within this mysterious realm lies a power, a transformative force, that empower you to reinvent yourself? Welcome, radiant rebels, to a journey where the alluring embrace of the dark feminine energy leads you to rediscover the magic within. In this world, traditional concepts of light and dark dissolve, giving rise to a new understanding, one where the dark feminine energy isn't shrouded in shadow, but illuminated by its own unique brilliance. It's not about opposing forces, but the harmonious interplay between them. It's about discovering the depth, intuition, and raw authenticity inherent in the feminine energy that dwells within us all. Look at the pioneering trailblazers whose resilience and unwavering spirit have rewritten history. Consider the artists who, through the lens of their emotions, paint vivid portraits that resonate with our souls. Think about the empathetic leaders whose nurturing guidance brings communities together in times of turmoil. These are not just random occurrences, but echoes of the potent force of the feminine energy weaving its transformative spell. Take, for instance, the story of Maya Angelou, whose words resonate like an everlasting echo in the corridors of time. Her poetry was a symphony of emotions, a testament to the depth and resilience of the human spirit. Through her, we witness the power of vulnerability, a quintessential facet of the dark feminine energy, giving birth to strength and wisdom. Consider also the graceful dance of Misty Copeland, whose journey defied conventions and broke barriers. Her movements echoed the essence of the feminine energy, fluid, intuitive, and expressive. She epitomizes the potency of embracing one's true self, irrespective of societal norms, harnessing the power of the dark feminine to redefine success and beauty. These real-life luminaries are not outliers, but embodiments of the transformative potential nestled within the embrace of the dark feminine energy. They remind us that within the depths of our being lies an untamed, unapologetic force waiting to be unleashed. A force that can shape destinies and rewrite narratives. So, dear radiant rebels, as we venture deeper into this exploration, let us unravel the secrets, awaken the dormant energies, and reignite the magic within ourselves. What is dark feminine energy? Radiant rebels, let's delve deeper into the mystique of the dark feminine energy, an essence often misunderstood, yet undeniably potent in its influence. Picture a moonlit night, serene and enigmatic, where the shadows hold stories waiting to be heard. This is where the dark feminine energy resides, not in darkness, but in the uncharted territories of our consciousness. Firstly, let's dispel any misconceptions. Dark doesn't denote negativity here. Rather, it represents the hidden, the unseen, and the depths within. It's the nurturing womb of creation, the unexplored corners of intuition, and the raw, unfiltered authenticity residing within each of us. It's the yin to the yang, the balancing force that complements the bright outward energy of the world. This isn't a realm of binaries or opposites. It's a spectrum, a dance between light and shade. The dark feminine embodies qualities often undervalued: depth, intuition, emotional resonance, and fierce authenticity. It's the silent strength that nurtures and transforms, much like the roots of a tree, unseen yet providing stability and sustenance. In understanding the dark feminine energy, we unlock the keys to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. It's about embracing the unexplored aspects of our psyche, diving into the depths of emotions without fear, and allowing vulnerability to be our guide rather than a weakness. This energy whispers truths that the world often overlooks. Embrace it, and you'll find a reservoir of strength waiting to be tapped into. Imagine a world where intuition guides decisions, emotions are acknowledged without judgment, and authenticity reigns supreme. This is the world awakened by the dark feminine energy. A world where shadows are not feared but embraced, where depth is celebrated, and where the raw, untamed essence of our being thrives. So, radiant rebels, as we navigate this journey, let us explore this uncharted terrain and harness the transformative power of the dark feminine energy within ourselves. Share this insightful video on feminine energy. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers together and empower more lives. Characteristics and traits of the dark feminine energy. Radiant rebels within the depths of the dark feminine energy lie a tapestry of captivating traits and characteristics waiting to be unraveled. Picture a mosaic woven with threads of intuition, resilience, and unfiltered authenticity. These are the hallmark traits residing within this enigmatic energy. One defining characteristic is intuition, that gut feeling, the whisper in your soul guiding you when words fail. It's that innate sense, often dismissed in a world clamoring for logic, yet holding truths beyond rational explanation. Embracing intuition allows us to navigate life's labyrinth with a clarity that transcends the confines of mere reasoning. Resilience, another cornerstone of the dark feminine energy, isn't about brute strength but the ability to bend without breaking. It's the silent determination, the inner fortitude that arises from acknowledging vulnerabilities and transforming them into pillars of strength. In the face of adversity, resilience becomes our ally, empowering us to rise time and again. Authenticity, the purest form of self-expression, thrives within the realm of the dark feminine. It's shedding societal masks, daring to be unapologetically yourself. This authenticity resonates deeply, forming connections that transcend superficial boundaries, inviting others to embrace their own truths. Moreover, emotional depth is an integral part of this energy, a wellspring of feelings, each wave carrying the richness of human experience. It's not about drowning in emotions, but swimming through them, understanding their nuances, and finding empowerment in vulnerability. The dark feminine isn't about extremes, it's about balance. It's the dance between light and shade, the interplay of strength and vulnerability. Embracing these traits doesn't make us impervious to challenges. Instead, it equips us with an arsenal of inner resources to navigate life's complexities with grace and resilience. So, radiant rebels, as we continue our exploration, let's unravel the beauty within these traits and allow the dark feminine energy to weave its transformative magic within us. Feminine energy, misconceptions, and stereotypes. Radiant rebels, let's peel back the layers of misconceptions veiling the essence of the dark feminine energy. Misunderstandings often cast shadows where light should thrive. Picture a canvas painted with misconceptions. Let's unravel them and bring clarity to this enigmatic energy. One common misconception is associating dark with negativity. In reality, the term dark here doesn't denote malevolence. It symbolizes the unexplored, the unseen depths within. It's the fertile soil where growth begins, not a realm of ominous shadows. Another misconception lies in equating femininity with weakness. The dark feminine isn't about fragility. It embodies resilience, intuition, and emotional depth. It's a strength that thrives in vulnerability, a force capable of nurturing and transforming. Stereotypes often confine femininity to predefined roles and traits. But the dark feminine transcends boundaries. It's not confined to a gender. It's an energy present in all beings, waiting to be acknowledged and embraced. It's about authenticity, regardless of societal expectations or gender norms. Moreover, the dark feminine isn't about perpetuating darkness or dwelling in negativity. Instead, it's about acknowledging the full spectrum of emotions, the light and the shadows. It's about integrating all aspects of our being, finding balance, and embracing the richness of human experience. By dispelling these misconceptions, we unravel the true essence of the dark feminine energy, a force that celebrates diversity, authenticity, and the multifaceted nature of existence. So, radiant rebels, let's cast aside these misconceptions and invite the true essence of the dark feminine energy into our lives, an essence that empowers, nurtures, and transforms. Recognizing and connecting with one's own dark feminine energy. Radiant rebels, let's embark on a journey inward to recognize and connect with our own dark feminine energy, a realm waiting to be explored within each of us. Picture a mirror reflecting your deepest self, the uncharted territory of your psyche. This is where we begin. To recognize this energy within, start by embracing your intuition. Listen to that inner voice guiding you through life's twists and turns. It might whisper softly, but its guidance holds immeasurable wisdom. Trust it, nurture it, and let it be your compass in navigating life's paths. Next, embrace your emotional depth. Acknowledge the spectrum of feelings within you, from joy to sorrow without judgment. They're the colors painting the canvas of your existence. Engage with them, understand their messages, and find strength in vulnerability. Authenticity is key. Shed the masks society imposes and dare to be your true self. Embrace your uniqueness, your quirks, and your individuality. It's in this authenticity that the dark feminine energy finds its resonance. Nurturing resilience is equally vital. Life brings storms, but resilience allows us to weather them. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth, bending without breaking. It's in these moments that the dark feminine energy fortifies our spirit. Connecting with your own dark feminine energy isn't about a drastic transformation. It's about acknowledging and nurturing the inherent qualities already within. It's about peeling back the layers, recognizing the whispers of intuition, embracing emotions, celebrating authenticity, and fostering resilience. So, radiant rebels, as we journey within, let's embrace these qualities and allow our own dark feminine energy to illuminate our paths. Embracing shadow aspects and integrating them into personal growth. Radiant rebels, let's dive deeper into a transformative concept, embracing our shadow aspects for personal growth. Imagine these shadow aspects as the unexplored rooms within your mind, holding hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. We all have aspects of ourselves that we'd rather keep hidden. The fears, doubts, or insecurities that linger in the shadows. Embracing these aspects doesn't mean dwelling in negativity. It's about acknowledging their existence and understanding their role in shaping us. By acknowledging these shadows, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. It's like shedding light on a darkened path, revealing obstacles and opportunities for growth. These aspects hold lessons waiting to be learned and integrated into our journey. Integration doesn't imply erasing these shadows, but rather understanding how they contribute to our complexity. Just as light and shade create depth in art, our shadows add depth to our personalities. It's in accepting and integrating these aspects that we find a more holistic version of ourselves. When we embrace our shadows, we embrace our humanity. We become more compassionate, not only towards ourselves, but also towards others, recognizing that we're all on unique journeys, navigating our own shadows. It's through this acceptance that personal growth blossoms, enriching our lives with newfound wisdom and resilience. So, radiant rebels, let's venture bravely into our shadows, for within them lies the key to profound personal growth and self-discovery. Tools and practices for accessing and harnessing this feminine energy. Radiant rebels, now let's explore practical tools and practices to access and harness the power of the dark feminine energy within us. View these tools as keys, unlocking the door to a realm of profound self-discovery and empowerment. Meditation stands as one powerful key. It's not about emptying the mind, but diving into its depths, exploring thoughts and feelings without judgment. Through meditation, we connect with our intuition, allowing it to guide us amidst life's chaos. Journaling is another key, a space to pour out our thoughts, fears, and aspirations. It's a mirror reflecting our inner world, helping us understand and embrace our emotions. Journaling allows us to befriend our shadows, transforming them into allies for growth. Creative expression, whether through art, dance, or music, acts as a vibrant key to accessing this energy. It's the language of the soul, enabling us to channel our emotions, unlocking hidden depths within. Creating gives voice to our shadows, turning them into beautiful pieces of self-expression. Shadow work, a deliberate exploration of our hidden aspects, is a potent key. It involves introspection, acknowledging our fears and limitations, and consciously integrating them into our journey. It's a process of befriending our shadows, understanding their messages, and growing from the lessons they offer. Mindfulness, the art of being present in the moment, is a key that allows us to embrace our authenticity. It's about accepting ourselves as we are, without judgment or expectation. Through mindfulness, we connect with our true essence, aligning with the energy of the dark feminine within. These tools and practices aren't rigid rules, but invitations to explore the depths of our being. They're keys that unlock the doors to a richer, more authentic existence. So, radiant rebels, as you journey forth, consider these keys as companions on your quest to access and harness the profound energy of the dark feminine within you.